Hey, hi guys, good afternoon. Uh, Sorry for the delay regarding the course. Actually, some due to some personal emergency, so that is the delay. No problem. So we are going today. So without delay, okay. So now today I'm going to discuss with the RPM installation. So which is we already discussed before, right? So there are so many installation types, RPM and RPM sorry, RPM bundle installation and binary installation and Windows installation. Okay, so based on the requirement, so we are going to which is you like, it means user friendly. Okay, so let me going to the course. Okay, now we going to the name and tags. So which is we will give the RPM. So this is the AWS. So I am going the free tier. Okay, that is the RPM installation. So I am selecting the which is you preferable. You select. I am selecting Red Hat. So that is the AMI. Amazon support. Amazon provides multiple OS. Okay, I am selecting the Red Hat. So I am selecting the instance type. So which is the free tier eligibility. I am AWS provide T3 micro or T2 micro or nano. So you are selecting anyone. I am selecting T3 micro. So for the installation purpose, I am connecting with the putty, right? So I am connecting with the putty. So regarding that, I am creating the key pairs. So for the PPK, so that is the RPM install 2. For the PPK is putty. Create new key pair. So it is the creating, and it is the all the default values. So it means what is the security group. It is also network. It is the VPC network, and it is the configuration storage. So I think for 10 GB I think it is enough. If you want to migrate, so it is asking cost. AWS means uh, pay as you go model. Okay, then I'm going to the launch instance. I'm selecting the number. It means one. It is okay. I'm selecting a launch instance. It is the launching. Okay, I'm selecting this one. That is the instance ID. Go to instances. Now I'm checking. Okay. So okay, there is a two RPM installation instances there. So I am removing first one, RPM install. So for to avoid conflicts. Okay. Okay, terminate the instance because of I don't want to that instance. Okay. While you terminate or stop or start, so it is showing the message like green color, right? So it is showing like that. Then I am selecting the RPM installer. Okay, so just I am creating the launch the instance, right? So this is the RPM install. Okay, so that is the running state. These are all under the instance. So instance ID, public IP, private IP, host name. Okay, so these are all under the instance. I am selecting the public IP. So to log in with the putty, go to putty and I'm copy and paste here that public IP. Then I'm go to the SSH, AUTH auth credentials. Then I'm going to the browse. So here I am selecting the which one we are creating, install to, right? So that is I am selecting, open, again open. Let's see. So it is the putty. Okay, login as a EC2 user, because of we are creating EC2 user, EC2 instance. Okay, EC2 instance. Okay, then I am going to, okay, I am checking the document which is I prepared for the installation steps. Okay, so if you want to download the RPM bundle, so you can see the these points and you can select one by one and you can download it. Okay, okay, then I am going to the root user. So without root user it is not taking. Okay, then I am going to wget. So what it will do, wget command not found. Okay, first of all we need to install wget. So it is the used to download the repository. Okay, m install wget. Okay, I think it is taking some time, so let me wait. Okay, you will give y for s burno. So now it is done. Okay, wget is the install. Okay, now I am going to, now I will see, it means I want to show how to how to get the mysql repository. Okay, in the internet. Okay, mysql product archives, community server. So that is actually community server. Okay, go to 8.0.31, select operating system, that is the Red Hat. Then I am going to, don't go select download option, just to you click the right button and you copy the link address. Okay, that is the RPM bundle. Okay, then right click and copy link address, then go to the putty. Now you will give the wget. Okay, so okay, now it is downloaded. Okay, 712 MB. Okay, so after that, that is the bundle tar is the non-compress format, right? So we need to compress or extract the files by using the tar-xvf. Okay, let me try one by one now. Okay, to installation process. Okay, so because of previously it is 8.0.33, let me change 8.0.31. Okay, so that is we already selected in the web, right? For avoid the confusion, we are going to isolation levels. Okay, let me down it. Okay, now it is clear. Now those are steps you need to aware. It means how to download and install the RPM bundle. So that is the first point, it is done. Then we want to extract the files, that is the tar-xvf. Okay, and then I am going to selecting that one, which is the decompress file. Okay, oh sorry, so that is the installation command. Okay, I want to, sorry, I am going to copy the tar-xvf. Okay, so that is the decompress it. Okay, that is the compress file, right? We need to decompress or extract the files by using tar-x-xvf. Okay, now it is the showing all the packages which is available under mysql 8.0.31. So these are the packages. Then we need to test the dependencies, okay, for those packages. So we need to install the dependencies one by one. So first of all, I am going to the perl yum install perl r. So you copy the command in the notepad, okay. So you can see yum install perl. So this is the download, okay. While in give the star, so it is taking all the under perl. So what is the test command means? It is showing all the dependencies for the packages. So for the uh, installation for the dependency solution, so we go with the test command. It means it is showing all the dependencies for those repositories. We go with one by one, okay. Okay, it is taking some time, so that compared to the another dependencies, so I think barely taking some more time, so let me wait patiently. And also while you are watching this video, so don't skip it, okay. So otherwise you are missing something, okay. You don't understand. So if you are missing, so it is not understanding. Okay, I think it is taking some time. Let me wait. Okay, I think it is taking some time. So because of, so we solve the dependencies, right? Let me wait. I think it is done. Okay, it is done. Now I am going to run, that is the test command again. So it is showing remaining dependencies, okay. So that is the OpenSSL. So let me install that OpenSSL to solve the dependencies. Okay, I'm install OpenSSL. Okay, yes. Okay, it is done. Then I am going to again test. It is showing remaining dependencies, so that is the net tools. Okay, we need to install, okay. Go to the command session. You copy that one and paste here in putty. Okay. Mm, you will give the y for yes. Okay, it is done. Again you need to test that command. It is showing MariaDB. So MariaDB also is database. We don't want to install the MariaDB. Just remove the MariaDB to avoid the conflicts. Okay, you remove the MariaDB. Just copy it and paste here. Okay, okay, it is done. Now what I am doing, I am executing the test command. So it is preparing the uh, test. Okay, so it is preparing the and verifying and preparing. So after preparing, so we want to install the packages. So once we resolve the dependencies issues, so after test is completed preparing, so then I'm going to remove the test and I'm executing the command to install the uh, all the mysql packages. Okay, so now it is running. It is taking some time. Okay, it is done. Packages are installing. Now I am going to the checking the status of the mysql. So I am copy that systemctl status mysqld and paste input. So it is showing active or inactive. So it is showing inactive. So let me start the services. That is the systemctl start mysqld. So this command used to start the services. Okay, let the start the service. Okay, now it is completed. So now I am checking the status again for double check. Okay, now it is C. So this is the active or running state. Okay, so now I want to log in with the MySQL as a root user. So root user is a super user. So he is the only to access all the permissions. Okay, so this is the command to find out temporary password to log in MySQL. Okay, otherwise there is a one another command also to directly uh, take the temporary password in the command line. Less variable log mysql dot log pipeline grep hyphen I pass. So what it will command means, so it is showing, it is searching the pass. It means it is related to the any word, so it is showing the command. You can see there is a red line, it is the pass, right? So it is related, right? So it is showing in the command line. So that is the temporary password and copy it, and you can run mysql hyphen u root hyphen p. Okay, so this is the syntax. So how to log into the mysql server. Now I am going to the show databases. Oh, okay, you must to reset your password using alt user statement before executing the statement. Okay, so now what this error means, we need to alter the user. So before executing any database related commands, just you give the alter the command and update the password. Okay, alter user root at localhost identified by. So it is the actually syntax identified by. So we will give the new password. I am giving 8897 8. Okay. Okay, now it is the alter the password. Then I am checking show databases. Okay, so okay, now it is showing default databases. Okay, while I am selecting temporary password, it is not showing. So when while I am using the alter user, so it is showing default databases. So now it is the running, and if you want to see create database, okay, if you want to create tables or databases or anything, if you want to perform anything, so then you can go to the now. Okay, now I am selecting that command. So we are going to two options. One is the cd, it is the change the directory, and it is showing the exact path to find out the temporary password, or you going to the less to directly uh, to see the temporary password in the command line. Okay, so this is the um, actually, so this is the exactly we can do in the rpm bundle installation. So if you have see, you can in the variable library mysql, it is the directory, it is the data directory. Okay, let me see, sorry, 1 minute.